Welcome guys in this channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use and insert emoji in Windows 10. There is two ways how to insert and use emoji in Windows 10. So the first method is you have to type active your keyboard like this and then hold this Windows button and then click this. And now you can insert the emoji and you can use this. So the second method is you have to right click on the taskbar and then click in here show touch keyboard button, and now you can open this. And this your keyboard already have the emoji in here. You can use this emoji everywhere if you want. So let's see how to use this. So for example, if you want to use in Google, hold the window key and click the next button, and you can use your emoji in here, or you can use the um, YouTube command, hold the window key and then click to the next key. You can use different kind or different type of emoji if you want to. So also you can active your keyboard from here. You can use emoji also, as you can see, like this. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.